How to report someone on Skout. If someone is being abusive, inappropriate, fake, or violating Scout's guideline, you can report them easily. Follow this method. Open the Scout app, go to the profile of the person you want to report. You can access it through chat, search, or feed. Tap the three dot or option or menu icon at top right. From the pop-up menu, select report. Choose the reason. Again, you need to choose the reason. Tap on any reason. Add a brief comment if needed. Then tap send report. What happens after you report? Scout moderation team reviews report. The user won't know you reported them. Their account may get warned, restricted, or banned. Your identity stay confidential. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.